Welcome. In front of me is a Teclast T60, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. To get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then somewhere on the left side you will find a power saving mode. Now if it's not on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional toggles. Now I already see the ultra power saver, but that's not what we want most likely. Okay, so the normal power saving mode is on the first page right over here for me. Now the reason I mentioned that you probably don't want the ultra power saver is because when enabled it does, as you can see, change the usability of the device by quite a bit. Removes wallpaper, most of your applications from the home screen, and just gives you access to the most essential apps. Just close this up. Now the normal power saving mode is, well, normal, so when you enable it, it just turns on dark theme and does a couple additional things in the background. And to signify that it is right now running, you do have this inlay of the battery change color. Once you're done, you can click on the toggle once more to turn it off. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.